Hello friends, this is Shruti and again I'm here with the next part of my video. So in the previous videos we discussed about properties of parallel lines, but today in this video we are going to discuss about that how can you prove a pair of lines parallel. You will be given with some property and then how can you use that property to prove that the given pair of lines are parallel to you. So let us start with the theorem. So the theorem is, if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel. So now see, what does the theorem state? It states that if a transversal intersects two lines, so we are not given that the lines are parallel, or so basically we'll consider that the lines are not parallel. Okay, they are in general, we are given with a pair of lines, and now it is given that the pair of alternate interior angles is equal, and then we can get the result that the two lines will be parallel. So basically this theorem states that if a transversal is intersecting a pair of lines and then you're getting that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, so we can conclude that the given lines are parallel. So we can now try to prove this theorem. So let us consider a pair of lines. Okay, we will prove that the lines are parallel, so that is why we are making the two lines as parallel. So we can consider a pair of lines AB and CD, and then these lines are intersected by a transversal PQ. Then it is given in the question that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal. So we can consider one pair of alternate interior angles. So let us consider this pair, and it is given in the question that this pair is equal. So angle 1 equals to angle 2. So now see what is given in the question. So it is given that AB and CD are intersected by a transversal PQ. We have clearly written that AB and CD are intersected by PQ. We are not mentioning that these lines are parallel or not. Okay, also one more thing is given that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal. So it is given that angle 1 equals to angle 2. Now what do we need to prove is, we need to prove that this pair is parallel. So we need to prove that the line segment AB is parallel to the line segment CD. Now we can see the proof. So let's see how will you prove it. So let's discuss the proof. Now see, we can consider one more angle here, 3. So clearly angle 1 will be equals to angle 3. Why? Because these are making a pair of vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. So angle 1 will be equals to angle 3. Also, one more thing is given in the question, that angle 1 equals to angle 2. This is equal because it is given in the question. Now, from these two equations, what can we conclude is, we are writing that angle 1 equals to angle 3, and then that angle 1 equals to angle 2. So clearly angle 2 will be equals to angle 3. Now see, what is the relationship between this 2 and 3? So see here, this 2 and 3 are making an F. So basically it is a pair of corresponding angles which we are getting, and corresponding angles are equal. So we have a result that is corresponding angles axiom. उसका भी proof मैंने mention किया है, मतलब we have discussed that corresponding angles axiom in our previous videos, so you can watch those videos. I'll provide the link in the description box. तो यहाँ पर we will use that result that if a pair of corresponding angles are equal, then your lines will be parallel. So we have obtained that angle 2 equals to angle 3, but they are which type of angles? They are corresponding angles. And if corresponding angles are equal, so we can obtain that AB is parallel to CD. So we are getting that the line segment AB is parallel to CD, and this is the result which we wanted to prove. If you like my videos, then please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.